Alright, so number 1, let's distribute and get rid of these parentheses. So negative 5 times negative x is positive 5x. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. And then bring down that 4x and that minus 1 equals 49. Now we can combine like terms. Anything that has a number and a variable can be combined, and any whole numbers can be combined. So 5x plus 4x gives us 9x, and then 5 minus 1 is going to give us 4. And then we still have that equals 49 there. We want x by itself, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. And then those 4's are going to cancel out. And 49 minus 4 is 45. Bring that 9x down. We still don't have x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 9. Cancel out. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. Next, same thing. We want to get rid of these parentheses. So we are going to distribute that 1/2 to both 9x and negative 6. Remember that any whole number is the same thing as that whole number over 1. I'm going to multiply straight across. So that's going to turn into 13 equals 9 over 2x. And then 1/2 times negative 6 is going to be minus 3. We need to get rid of that 3 on that side. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. Those 3's are going to cancel out. 13 plus 3 is 16, and bring down that 9 over 2x. Alright, x is not by itself yet, so we're going to have to use the reciprocal, which is going to be 2, or 2 over 1. And we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. Those 2's are going to cancel out, so all you're left with is 9x equals 16 times 2, which is 32. Then we're going to divide by 9 to get x by itself. Cancel those 9's out, and you're left with 32 over 9. Typically, we would want to simplify any fractions, but this one cannot be simplified anymore. So, this is your final answer, 32 over 9. Next. Simple, we are just combining like terms. We want to make sure we're solving for x. So the first thing we're going to do is add 4x to both sides. Negative 4x plus 4x is going to give us 0, so cancel that out. And then we have 1x, there's an imaginary 1, but bring that 3 down first. Alright, 1 plus 4x is 5x minus 27. Now we need to add 27 to both sides. That negative 27 and positive 27 are going to cancel out. Drop down that 5x. 3 plus 27 is 30. X is still not by itself, so we got to divide by 5. Those 5's cancel out. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. And that is it for that one. Next, graphing equations. We need to make sure it's in slope-intercept form, which it is. That 5 is in the place of b, so that is our y-intercept. And it's going to be in the form of a point. And our point is 0, 5. So we're going to plot that. That is how you plot 0, 5 on a coordinate plane. And then whatever's in the place of m is our slope. Remember, we're doing rise and run. So we have negative 3 over 4. So starting at that y-intercept point, we're going to go down 3, because it's negative 3, and to the right 4. And we want to plot as many points as possible so that our line is as accurate as possible. In math, we want to be extremely accurate. So there's another point. But let's make sure we have one more point that's going in the opposite direction. So instead of going down 3 and to the right 4, we're going to go up 3 and to the left 4 to add one more point to that line. And then connect your dots as best as possible. And that is it. And last but not least, we are converting our equations from standard form to slope-intercept form. This is what it should look like. We're going to make sure it's solved for y. Alright, so let's rewrite our equation. Again, this is in standard form. This is not what we want, though. So we're going to first get rid of 24x on the left-hand side. So we're going to subtract it from both sides. It's going to cancel out on the left. Bring that 20y down and just rewrite what we have on the right-hand side of the equal sign. Minus 24x, negative 24x plus 180. All right, we want y by itself, so divide everything by 20. We have y. Sorry about that. Negative 24 over 20 simplifies to negative 6 over 5, and then 18 divided by 20 is 9. Bye.